If you're doing like quick adventures or you're going places overnight, traveling, staying overnight, the key is to try and keep it minimal. I think that's the joy of car camping like this, when you're sleeping in the car and it's minimal. It's just fast and easy to get out. So I'll show you how I'm packed up and I'm ready to go fishing. I really think for fishing and other solo adventures, car camping is an awesome idea. Okay, so we'll go around and start at the back here. So once the camera adjusts here, so you can see my bed is still laid out, and if I was doing another night, it would be all laid out for me. Now I usually put a tarp down here and then put stuff on top just so my bed doesn't get dirty. I forgot that today. Anyway, here's my cooler, my water, my table that I was using. My fishing rod is ready to go if I need it, and I have a chair here ready to go if I need it as well. There I have my camera. I'll go over from the front here. There's my camera, you can see. And then I have just a clothes bag right here. Camera bag. Down here I got my fishing bag ready to pull out easily. Little umbrella. And we'll head to the driver's side back door, and this I just have all of my stuff that I needed for camping, just very minimal. My window shades, some clothes here, driver's seat is ready to go, got my hot coffee and all that. I love a minimal camp. I can up and leave pretty easy. Pack up was really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and try and catch that fish. This video was filmed while I was out on a car camp fishing adventure, so if you'd like to see that video, including how I interact with the whole system, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when the video is coming out. It will be out soon, or if it's already out, you can head down to the video description and I'll leave a link there. And remember the most important thing, folks, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I had a hit. Oh, I had a hit. Did you see that? I got all my window covers up here, and I'll give you the grand tour of what's happening here. And tonight's dinner is going to be a nice, easy one-pot meal.